Girl, you've been spinning the outfit. We can't always be in control. Are you alone, babe? No one needs alternates. Let the truth set you free. Maybe we need a couple's therapy. Me, I'm ready, fill my head with thoughts of dread. I feel so abandoned, but do you wanna change? Cause I know that I could too.
Yeah, let me talk to you.
Gotta undo my selfish habits.
They can hold that for you, that pain, that stress. Like a wall past worries, let's face it. I wanna be the doctor and be the medication. I can, but I know I'm booking this a vacation again. ADHD and some crazy ass friends. 10 MGs and I do my dance. Cussing you out, you the one I resent. Cussing you out, I delete and resend. Sorry, I got 3 selves, one's 12. Sorry, you gave me hell, once felt. Sorry, honeymoon phase over now. Locking, listen to me, baby, cause I ain't done talking. We can be angry, but can we be honest? You were so fed up with the same old problems. Got a lot of bags, but you ain't know about it. You love this, but you so ain't no